Guys, what's going on? Before we start off this video, let's go thank Import Crate for everything that they do for us. So just shout out to those guys, the whole little family. It's a mom and pop business, and I love supporting small businesses. And they're a huge supporter of the channel. It would mean so much if you guys went and bought some air fresheners. God knows you can use one, your family can use one in the house, wherever. If it's an air freshener, small air freshener, a little hanger over the mirror, or if you just want to get a subscription box and you know, $20 a month, put it away, and then every month you get a new box of air fresheners. So if you guys would, www.importcrate.com, and just go buy an air freshener and then just use Sachin_works, all in caps, to save yourself 20% off. Thank you guys so much. Let's get back to the video. So, if you guys remember, we did a carbon fiber restoration on that trunk. Blippy, don't walk away. Huh? Don't walk away. Okay, so right here we have this V2 airlift system that we have set up outside. Of course, it's used. Checked all the bags, made sure it doesn't work. But let's just say your compressors don't kick on. What do you do then? And you walk over here, make sure. Oh well, first you go over there, make sure all your fuses are okay. Then you come over here. Mustang? As I was saying, you come over here and you see these wires right here. Now let's just say the compressor's not kicking on, but your management up there, the little pad actually turns on, and the compressor don't kick on. What do? Well, you come over to your V2 and you see this little gray wire without a white tracer or a white surrounding on it. This one right there, that one. You would pin that and you would see if you're getting voltage out of it. If you are, that means power's coming out and not into that. So usually you would have to replace that. But in this case, we found is that we have power coming into the pink in this gray wire to this, yeah. Gray wire is to the manifold. So there's no power coming out and into that. Meaning she's a bad, and Blippy over there is gonna have to buy a new airlift system. So yeah, use car kit. Don't I don't recommend it, but we'll do a review while his car's here. Thoughts?
Don't buy a used kit. 1 hour diag, please.
Gee.
Do it.
Okay, Paul. Okay, Paul. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. What is that? It feels?
Barely.
Oh, okay.
I'm in my head.
Oh man, who hurt this boy? Hey, wait, what are we doing today?
I don't know.
Looking for Jay's tool that we lost. Hey, what if we fell in here?
That would have been funny.
Hey, bro, what are you doing?
Put this back. Hey,
What's
don't
up?
film me. This content you don't need.
There you go.
How about you get your finger off the camera so you can see me too?
Come here, beautiful.
Yeah, stop fingering the camera.
Stop fingering the camera. Demonetized. So we got the infamous Mugen Civic with my boy Paul, not Eric. Let's get that right. It's his alter ego. So what we're gonna be doing today is, since we couldn't do this last time, we're actually gonna be bagging the car. You know what? We're gonna have a little blooper reel in the back at the end of everything, but we're gonna be bagging his Civic today. You what? You first what?
I said, well, first you take it to a professional.
Who's a professional? Not me. Okay, so first thing you gotta do is pull your interior part. I already pulled that corner off by just picking it up. Sorry that I didn't get that. Also, sorry that I didn't get pulling this off. All I did was just picked it up and it just popped out. And it's sitting over there. Now, and pull this off. And there she blows. Also, please don't roast my boy in the comments section about how dirty his car is. Can I have your keys?
Yeah.
Doop-a-doop-a-doo. I think that's where that goes, right? This goes. This comes out. Oh, okay, that just happened. If you've got a carbon fiber trunk, it'll just go up if you accidentally pull that. Nice to know. Why won't you? At least you don't have buckets. You had to use this to kind of slide it up properly, and then it just came out. And then this trim molding just comes off like so. Just destroying this dude's car. Just pulled up and destroying his car. Just, you know, beep. Then give it a little pull. And a pull. And there she blows. Little pull down there. Huh. The car's been repainted. Cool. This has to come off. Okay, this just was never bolted down. I know what I need to get. Poppity up. You having fun there?
Do you have to remove this?
No, surprisingly, but what you gotta do is pull from down there. Just pull up, there you go. Look at you being a mechanic.
Dude, I'm a tech. I'm certified.
Yeah, you are. He's got a Honda shirt for a reason.
Yeah.
This just pulls out, and out she comes. Aha, easy peasy. You just come down here and you just give it a little, there you go. The what?
I said you have the magic touch.
So do you.
Got it.
Boom. So step one, well, 4, after pulling the interior apart, pull your car inside, and then you have 1, 2, 3, and then myself, 4 people here, and you jack up the car. And, you know, pull your wheels off, star pattern. I don't know who's going to show us how to do this, because...
What side? Come at it.
Pedro, you know I got roasted in my comment section showing how to undo bolts?
Star pattern.
No, like they're like, hey, how'd you take the spark plug out? I'm like, with the socket, and I showed them how to pull it off, and I got roasted for that. So I've got to show all the little things now. Right now, we're gonna section it off. Oh. All right, go ahead. I'll tighten it up first. I don't think I tightened it. Is it tighten it? No, that's how you tighten it up. Okay. We're there? Yep. We got the wheels off, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's on jack stands. Wheels are over here. So the first thing you want to do is you can either get the bolts off from up here, but I'm starting down here while I'm down here. So it's a 19 and I believe a 17. And you pull off this bolt right here and this bolt right here. pull off those, and I believe there are 14 correct.
That's correct.
Hey, Bull, get your earbags. Oh, hold up. Hey, get that little cute beauty shot of him opening up his bags.
What if I poke the bag?
You're not, just do it. I mean, end of episode at that point.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a with an installation guide. No one needs that.
This right here, trash. We don't need that.
Basura.
I'm gonna come get that before the neighbor yells at us. But you really don't need this for the most part. Oh, these are your fronts. Perfect.
The front's still look cooler. I'm taking it out.
Come on, pull it out. One's gonna say left, one's gonna say right.
I hope so.
Which come with new top hat nuts. There it is.
Should be flip that around.
Front lift?
Front left. So that's the one we need because we're doing this side right here. That's that. Here, look.
It's like when someone hands me a baby.
I get awkward.
Someone take it. I don't drop it.
All right, let's put that on over there.
No, when I checked the man, like the radar is. No.
No, I thought the radar went like that. Literally moved back around like.
No.
So we didn't get done today. I guess not bad for 3-4 hours, right? Yeah.
Well, then I could have done by myself.
So we got the.
I'd still be doing the interior panels if I was by myself.
So we got the front struts on. That's literally it. We got them adjusted so whenever he airs out, he's literally tucking thick boys. We still got to figure out the bolt situation over here along with the speed sensor. Got to mount that up. But we got the front struts on, disassembled everything. The boys, these fools, put this on, and I think removed this because it was damaged. Another day, right?
Oh, we should get the light back here.
Yes. Light back there. There's no light. Day 2. It's day 2. It flooded in Dallas. I don't know why. Like, just did. Yeah. We're gonna work on the rear end today. So sorry we couldn't record this. Eric was working. Pedro was working. I was working. Didn't have an extra hand, but pulled the bucket spring off and the coilover strut. It's a 14 up here, I think, right back there. So there's gonna be a 14 up on top and a 14 on top, and then a 14 on the bottom, right here. And we just come over here and open up that box, I guess.
What's up, guys? We're taking out the exhaust right here because it is going to be super close to the spring. So we're going to have to add in the heat shield and start wrapping up the exhaust so we don't burn out the airbag. And we're already hurting your chiller.
Yo, what do we do? What do we do? Oh, he got hit in the face. I got hit in the face. We pulled Flippy's exhaust off because where the bag sits, and the bag sits like right here, the exhaust runs through right here. A bag sits too close to the exhaust, and if you do it like that, that bag could burn and rupture it, and then this boy, if it'll focus, he'd be very sad. Yeah.